Hello bachchon, let's see the question here. Question says that if we connect A to F, D to C and B to C, then the number of ways by which one can travel from B to E is. यहाँ पर हमें बोला गया है we have to connect E to F, D to C and B to C. यहाँ पर हमें बताना है total number of ways from B to E. तो यहाँ पर ये हो सकता है either B to A or B to C. And then we can have total number of ways here. First consider करते हैं B to A, then we will consider B to C. So in B to A यहाँ पर हो सकता है then A to D or A to C here. B to A to D यहाँ पर ways कितने हो सकते हैं? ये हो सकता है either directly E or this could be D to F and then E, or this could be D to G, then F and then E. नेक्स्ट विधि हम कंसिडर करते हैं B to A to C. तो इसमें हो सकता है डायरेक्टली E और दिस कुड बी C to D, D to E, और दिस कुड बी C to D, D to F and F to E, or this could be B, A, C, then D, then G, G, F or E. For this case, we have one more case possible here, that is B, A, D, C and then E. So here we have B to E. यहाँ पर हमारे पास हमने क्या देखे थे, दो पाथ्स है, that is either we choose A और we choose C. So for A यहाँ पर total number of ways कितने हैं, ये है 8. So this is 8 here. यहाँ पर हो सकते हैं next B, C and E, or this could be B, C, D and E, or this could be B, C, D, F and then E, or this could be B, C, D, G, then F and then E. नेक्स्ट यहाँ पर हो सकता है B, C, A, D, E, और दिस कुड बी B, C, A, then D, F, E, and this could be B, C, A, D, G, F, E. तो यहाँ पर है टोटल नंबर ऑफ वेज 7. सो 7 प्लस 8 टोटल ये हो जाएंगे 15. सो फॉर दिस केस total number of ways by which one can travel from B to E, ये है 15. That is D is correct option. This is the final answer. I hope you understood the explanation. All the best.